Ready to take your PPT slide deck and turn it into a Zooming presentation? Here's how. From your dashboard, click Convert PowerPoint, and then click Upload PowerPoint and find the one you'd like to use. Once it's loaded, start by selecting your slides to group them, and then drag them onto the canvas. No need to select them in order. Put your slides together any way you want. Prezi will automatically put them into a single topic with subtopics. Now let's create a few more topics on the overview the same way. Next, we can customize the look and feel by using the top menu. First up, the background. Click right on the thumbnail to random set an image, or click on the three dots to search for just the right one. You can do the same with the shape of your topics. And the color scheme too. Lastly, let's move some topics to fine-tune the overview a bit. And then hit Present to see it in action. There you have it. You just took your slides and turned it into a Zooming presentation that your audience is sure to love.